Hi friends, how are you today? Today we are going to make some cloud Play-Doh. To make some cloud Play-Doh, we need 1 cup of lotion, 2 cups of cornstarch, some food coloring if you have some at home, and a measuring cup, a mixing bowl, a Zipblock bag, anything to make it in. You're going to add a cup of lotion. You're going to add some food coloring to your lotion. I picked the color blue because it reminded me of a cloud. You're going to measure 2 cups of cornstarch and you're going to mix it all together. I used a Zipblock bag to mix it all together. You can use a container or a bowl. You're going to mix it with your hands or with a spatula, whatever you want to mix it with. It should start looking like a cloud. Do you know what a cloud feels like? You should keep mixing it till it's so soft like a cloud. It should look like this. And if it doesn't look like this, don't worry. Just keep adding cornstarch and lotion until it starts looking like this, and you'll eventually get a beautiful cloud. Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope you had fun making cloud Play-Doh.